Hello friends, today I would like to show my setup regarding site-to-site connection. After so long time, I have an idea that I want to configure site-to-site connection, and but however, due to some various circumstances, I have tried for two times, but every time I got like failure. Being a DB SQL DBA, it is like completely out of my compatible zone like that. So like various features and everything today I have configured site to site connection in Azure, so that I will let you know what I want. This is my VM. Okay, if you go click on here, sorry, now click virtual network adapter. Now I have connected to the VNet 3. Like simply now I need to change here. It is like right now now I have bridged with the my laptop wireless account. So now whenever I click this, now go to here, now go to network. So now what are the EM? Now my router will assign one IP address to this virtual machine. If you go to the on-prem, sorry, my laptop, okay, your IP config.exe. So now I'm using 19.5. Now if I go to here, I got like 10.30 means same network. So this the router thinking that this VM is also one of the physical machine. Okay. Now coming to this, and now and to do these things, so you need to router. We need one VPN devices, but as of now for home, where can I bring the VPN devices? So now I'm routing this uh, I'm using this to forward. Okay, what so I have added these commands IP6 500 and this IP I'm adding to when any traffic comes, it will go to the routing machine, which is the my VM here in this case. Okay, okay, here. Okay, now first I have created virtual networks router B1 with the name, and after that I have you can see the series as well if you want. So 10.16. Okay, if I click the subnets, if you click the subnets here, I'm created the router subnet. This is the gateway subnet. Okay, just the see the networks and everything. Okay, now I need to deploy the gateways, virtual network gateway. So where in our network, this is the virtual network gateway, which is the like me. I have connected that to the my public IP address. Okay, so like this is like VNet, like a public IP address of this gateway. My public IP address and local on-prem, it is going to match. Okay, after that, what I need to do here, I need to configure site-to-site connections here. Once that is done, here you need to configure connections. Okay, so now what I need to do here, can I click on connections, Azure to Azure connection. Okay, now you see status is connected here. Okay, so this is as of now there is 1.MB3 data in, and this much of data is like out. Okay, now come here, and if I click and I go to VPN gateway, status connected. So before this we have one local network gateway, so after VNet we need to configure this thing. Okay, so here it should be connected, and it should be connected. Okay, here it should be connected. See, every time either we have successfully configured this thing or not. First we need to configure virtual network, virtual network gateway, and like that this local network gateway server, then connections. So once it is done and everything, we need to configure this on-prem as well before that. Now I need to configure the router's interface, this dialing interface. Now what I'm doing here is this machine, this voice is acting as a routing protocol, okay, VPN device. Now Sorry. Now I have created some virtual machine. This is my virtual machine. Okay, then go to the properties, and this is my 110.5. If I go here, ping dot, yeah, ping dot agenda 5. See, I am able to ping, and if I do RDP as well, I am able to connect. This is my RDP mission Azure. If I IP config, okay, see 10.05. Now I want to connect to the from this machine to this machine. Okay, I want to see the connection. Type here IP config, sorry, IP config, press enter, copy this IP address. Now come here to the VM ping here. See, I am able to ping from on-prem to Azure, Azure to on-prem. Okay, so this means like I am able to successfully configure site-to-site connection. Okay, so just there are so many things to test. Okay, so after a long time I got success. That's the reason I want to share with you. And in upcoming days, once I get some free time, I will configure. I will show you how to configure this site to site from scratch. I hope you may like my video. Thank you.